Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to propagate lavender. Lavender is an easy plant to propagate and a really great plant to have in your garden. You can even give away your new propagated plants to friends and family. To propagate lavender, you can use rooting gel or powder, but this is optional, and you will need some secateurs or scissors. And you will need some pots of compost, preferably free draining compost. You can take lavender cuttings anytime between June and September. Today I'll be taking a cutting that is called a semi-ripe cutting, as it's taken in the summer. Find a non-flowering side shoot from a healthy plant of lavender, then pull away or cut with sharp scissors. Next, remove the lower leaves from the bottom half of the cutting. This next step is optional, but if you have some rooting gel or rooting powder, dip the end of your lavender cutting in the rooting hormone. This will increase the chances of success. Then place your lavender cutting in the pot of compost. I like to add more than one cutting to each pot. Lastly, water your cutting well and place in a humid location like a greenhouse.